Finally, Google has made it official. What's up guys, I'm back again with some crispy news regarding Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So Google recently posted the official photos of Google Pixel 6 Pro and Google Pixel 6 on their official Made by Google Twitter account. They didn't reveal anything, like we just had photos of phone, just the official renders which are confirming the design of phone from both sides, which we've already seen pretty much. There are still some hidden gems which Google will obviously be making official on official launch event, and they have mentioned that they will be releasing the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro later in 2020 in fall. If you really want to know the specs based on rumors and as per sources, then you can watch my previous videos on Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. You will find the links in the description. Now talking about what is making hype for this Pixel 6 series. As we all have seen that Google has officially announced that this year's Pixel 6 devices will be having Google's own custom made chip, and Google has named it Google Tensor. So this is basically a new SoC from Google. Recently Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, also tweeted about it. He said that they have been working from 4 years on this SoC and now finally it can be seen in action really soon, as he also stated that this thing will be on Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro in fall. This Google Tensor SoC will provide a next level camera experience and speech recognition etc. as per Google's tweet you can see here. You can imagine here what could be the results of cameras. Like in previous years we have seen the average Google Pixel device making progress over their predecessors. This was all because Google's devices always have their own operating system, Android, and now the time has arrived when Google is all set to combine it with their own chip. Google is making the competition even more difficult for other major competitors like Apple. Now let's dig what else Google tweeted in thread. These are all the color variants. As you can see here, we will see 3 color options in both Google Pixel 6 Pro and Google Pixel 6. Google also confirmed the camera sensors which we have already seen in renders. There will be 3 sensors on Pro one while 2 on vanilla variant. That third sensor on Pixel 6 Pro is an telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, as Google has officially declared it on their Twitter thread. The front photos were also shared by Google, and as we can see a punch hole camera. That's nothing like a new thing, but those chins, to be honest, they are looking not so good to me. I don't know why, maybe because I love full bezel-less displays, and I assume that when screen is turned off it will give you look of more like a Galaxy Note phone, because it's a little bit of that boxy designed phone. Pixel 6 will have 6.4 inches display with 90Hz refresh rate and 6.7 inches for Google Pixel 6 Pro with 120Hz refresh rate. So that's all for latest updates on Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Stay tuned by subscribing for more, and I'll see you in the next one.